What's up guys, and welcome to another vlog. So today is a very special vlog because it is my birthday. So I am 13 years young today. I wish, but anyway, so I actually thought, you know what, tomorrow, which is Sunday the 10th, is actually my birthday and today is Saturday, but why not continue my birthday over 2 days? I mean, your birthday is once a year and it is your special day. So I thought to start off, of course, at 55 croissants once again, because as you all know, this is by far my best place ever. So I am at 55 croissants. I am spending some time with my family today because tomorrow, which is actually my birthday, I will be going out with my good and best friend Francois. You guys saw him previously on some of my vlogs. So we will be going to Cape Town for the day. We will be spending some time there. I will bring you guys along, of course. So we will be going to exploring around places there in Cape Town. So you guys have a lot to look forward to, and especially because it's my birthday and I'm still vlogging for you guys, I want you to smash the like button, leave a positive comment down below, and yeah, let's do this. Visiting the castle of Good Hope, and yeah, it's my first time visiting and it looks so cool. It's so, I mean, it has a lot of history as well. I will show you guys around a bit. I don't want to show too much of everything that's inside because you still have to come check it out for yourself next time. We are in the governor's house, I think it's called, and they told us to start off here. And I mean, yeah, like I said, there's a lot of history that goes on here, and I think there's a lot of ghosts as well, as you can imagine. About to blow your mind. Just look at what I'm about to see. This is really something else. It doesn't even feel if you are in Cape Town, and yeah, I mean, this is Lady Anne Bucketing Hall or something like that, but it's a massive long table. I actually know this person, Rosaline, eh? Yeah, from Oh So Peachy, so come and support her. Everything healthy, smoothies and all that. Support her business, and yeah, it's so cool to see you here again, man. And where do you normally stand during the week?
I don't trade, I only trade at events at the moment.
Okay, yeah. So they can hire you for events and everything?
They can phone me to order. I live in Paarl.
Okay.
So if they want to see my menu on my Facebook shop, then they can place orders with me.
Okay, and you have a Facebook page as well, eh?
Yeah, Also Peachy.
Also Peachy. So go check her out and order for your next event and support local business. Here's the military museum, so let's go check it out. Very eerie vibes here.
Whoa.
Seriously. Is it wat noem hulle dungeon? Is it?
It's like the place to talk.
Isn't this where they actually kept the slaves or something?
This is where they kept. They must have. This must have been where they kept the the indigenous people.
And I wonder what's this. Like there's a glass thingy.
Or maybe it's not, I don't know.
But like it smells weird here.
It seems like a prison.
Like
It seems like a
yeah,
prison.
maybe it was.
Or maybe
I think it was.
Maybe it was like a room that they
Yeah. Just imagine there's no light. So you are here in complete darkness. Probably most of the day. This was definitely the most eerie and creepy part of the whole castle so far. Yeah, but it was also cool. You know? Alright guys, so the castle was super cool. Very cool place. Please make sure to visit them. Now me and my friend are going to Mojo Market. Right, where's the name? Mojo Market. There's a lot of different stalls and food and everything. So yeah, let's go check it out. Alright, so I've got my gelato ice cream from Ben Ungermanns ice cream shop. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Super cool. As you can see, all these different stalls, and yeah, there's beer, there's different food to eat. I just had that amazing ice cream, it's delicious. So yeah, when you're in Cape Town, definitely visit the Mojo Market. Alright guys, so this was another vlog with my good friend Francois. We enjoyed, and it was a special edition. It's my birthday today, so yeah, smash the hell out of the out of the like button, especially for vlogging on my birthday. So we went to Castle of Good Hope. That was very informative and also exciting and everything to experience that as well. And we went to the Mojo Market, all super awesome. So yeah, when you guys are in Cape Town, go and visit those places. So yeah, I will as always leave their links in the handles or the description below, so go give them a like, go give them a follow, and remember, smash the like button, leave a positive comment down below, share with your family and friends, and I'll see you guys on the next one.